Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the external drain hose on your GE washer, you will need pliers. Remove the drain line from the wall. Set a drain pan or towel underneath the hose. Pinch the clamp and pull the hose from the washer. Slide the hose through the clip. Now remove the clamp. To install the new external drain hose, slide the hose in through the clamp. While pinching the clamp, slide the hose over the outlet and release it. Slide the hose in through the clip to the desired position. Insert the drain hose back into the wall drain.